With June being recognized as Road Safety Month, the Road Safety Unit of the Ministry of Transport says it will be ramping up its road safety campaign for this month and the rest of the year. Unit Director Kenut Here says in an effort to reach as many groups as possible, messages have been placed on all media platforms warning of the possible fatalities that can result from improper road usage and not using safety devices such as helmets and seatbelts.
We also will be in attendance at the Grenell's Driver Traffic Safety Expo on June 16, and I would like to encourage every Jamaican to come out to Ranny Williams entertainment section, right? And one thing that we'll be doing there, we will do black box analysis. Road safety units will do free black box analysis. Once you come, we'll do a black box analysis of your vehicle for you, and we'll tell you exactly how the crash happened and what transpired. We'll tell you how many times the key was turned in the vehicle, which side the vehicle got hit, whether it's the left, the right, the center, right? We'll tell you.
He says the unit has also launched a campaign to educate the public on the improved technology black box analysis that will be used to prosecute road code violators in the event of a crash.
You have been found guilty.
We try to ensure we go to events. We will have a presence at ATI weekend promoting road safety. Right? So we will be a lot of young people, and we will be opening up stuff to our people to ensure that they understand the contemporary road safety issues that are out there and what to come and how to protect themselves. And we're going to tell them about the vulnerability of the human body in a collision, because that same force that you see mashing up the vehicle, that same force the human being in the vehicle is undergoing, and that can be perilous.